How much does it cost to hire a real estate agent when you're looking to buy a house?
You're about to find out. Cue the intro.
The cost to you as a buyer looking to buy property is actually nothing whatsoever. All of the broker fees are paid for by the seller. So I don't even know why it would be a question as to whether to have a real estate agent or not when it comes to buy a property. What do you think, Teresa?
Yeah, I agree. Do yourself a favor. Hire somebody. These guys do it every single day. They live and breathe this industry. They know the ins and outs. They know what could possibly go wrong. Leave it to the professionals. Hire some help, because if it's free to you, what can you lose?
Guys, thank you so much for watching this week's episode. It's been amazing having you as always. Like it, love it, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next week on Sell It Proper. What does it cost to hire a buyer's... Wait a sec. How much does it cost? Looking to purchase property. Oh, jeez. Why can I not? Okay, just face forward.
Uncomplicate it.
Yeah, I know. What does it cost to hire a real estate professional when you're looking to buy?
All right, Mr. Professional.